Hi, my name is Keisha and welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe and help me to grow my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on my Birkin 25. So let's go ahead and get started. It's been a while since I've made a video. It's summertime, the kids are off, and we actually just got back from Orlando. We went to Disney World. Yay! My favorite place. But it is the most magical place and we absolutely love to go to Disney. I think we enjoy it more than the children. It's always a nice trip to be on. So we did that. I got another eye infection, so that's why I am swollen again. It keeps on happening. I did go to the doctor. I have antibiotic drops and I'm putting them in my eyes. I don't know why this keeps happening to me, but unfortunately it does. So it will pass, and I wanted to go ahead and get a quick video out for you guys today. One of my subscribers asked me to do this review on the Birkin 25, and I did want to go ahead and do it for you anyhow after I had worn it for a little while. So let me stop chit-chatting and we will see what's inside, and I'll tell you about the bag. So last year was my first year that I was experimenting with. I'm a huge Louis Vuitton lover. I will always be a huge Louis Vuitton lover. It will be my favorite brand until the end of time. But last year, my husband always tells me, like, honey, all of your bags look the same. Of course, I don't feel that way, but that's what he says. And I ventured out into the world of Hermès. Not because of any particular reason. I do experiment with other brands besides Louis Vuitton, but I always seem to go right back because for me, it is one of the most, like, they just keep up with the times. They always have something new and grand coming out, and it's just beautiful eye candy, and I just absolutely love it. And I do believe in the quality of Louis Vuitton, but since this is a review on the Hermès Birkin, I'm going to just tell you about that, and I absolutely love this bag. It's not for everyone, but it's for me. And I love it, and it is nice to have something that is different from what I'm used to wearing. So I got this bag last year, and I think I got it in about April. My husband went in March, which is my birthday month of 2021, and he bought me a pair of Oran sandals in the gold color. And I was so happy to get those, but I have the type of personality that once I like something, I want it all. So to make a long story short, the sandals were large. They were too big for me. So I went in, I exchanged it. I met with the same woman that helped him, and she was just lovely. And I told her that I was interested in a few bags. So she gave me she told me, like, the go ahead and call her or text her, you know, just to check on the status of the bag, and that's exactly what I did. I did get a couple of things, but nothing that I would say would be an extreme purchase or nothing that I didn't want before I got this bag. About a month later, when I called her, she called me a week later and told me that she had the bag that I requested. So if you'd like, I'll do another video of the things that I did purchase. I think it was 3 things. I could probably tell you now. A belt, a pair of Aloha slippers, and what else? I cannot recollect right now, but if I go through my things, I probably will do a follow-up video if any of you are interested on my purchase history before I was offered this gorgeous bag. And to be honest, the second bag that I got for this birthday it actually took a longer time this year than this first one. So this beauty right here is Birkin 25 in black Togo leather with gold hardware. And I've taken the stickers off that have like, you know, that are rising up, but most of my stickers are still on. I have watched several people that, you know, are Hermès lovers, and I'm just following especially one person that I think he has such great knowledge on Hermès, and I am going after his lead because, to be honest with you, this is not my brand. This is not like something that I can tell you, oh, I know the history and I know all about the leathers and I know this and I know that, because I know nothing. I just know that I love handbags and I like this handbag, and I decided to get this for myself. So let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful bag. Now, the size 25 is considered the baby Birkin, and it is very small. I know that it shows up that it looks maybe a little bit larger on the camera, but it's a tiny bag. In one of my videos, I did compare it to my Alma BB, and it is a little bit larger. So most people have seen an Alma BB. I had never seen a Birkin 25, so I did not know the size in comparison to, you know, when she took it out, I was like, whoa, that's very small, because, and it was a shocker for me. But most of us have seen a Louis Vuitton Alma BB. So it is a little bit tinier than that. And now I'll go ahead. It's called a Birkin 25 because it's 25 centimeters across the bottom. Now, the width right down here, as you see, it does taper. This is exactly how I wear the bag, and I have worn the bag a few times. It tapers up, but at the widest point is about 5.5 inches. Now, I did measure the back of it, and from here to here, so we're talking about how tall the bag is about 8 inches. And then the drop of the handle is almost 3 inches. So it's a very tiny handle drop. It doesn't bother me any. I'm used to smaller bags. I love hand carry bags, and for me, I don't think that I want a larger Birkin than the 25. All of them are beautiful, and if I had the money, of course, I would take one of each. But unfortunately, if I were to get another one, I would ask as well for a size 25. So we're looking at almost 10 inches across the bottom, which is the 25 centimeters, 5.5 at the widest, right here at the bottom of the width. And then we're looking at about 8 inches and almost a 3-inch drop. Now, the bag, you can put it on your forearm here, and it doesn't go up too much, but this is fine for me. This is how I wear my Alma BBs, and I'm totally okay with that. Or I can definitely hand carry the bag, and that's also okay for me. So, what else do I want to tell you about this bag? I did go into the store in Aventura a few months back, and I was able to get this Rodeo. So I love the tone-on-tone look, and I absolutely loved that I got it in the So Black, and it matches so well. This is exactly how I wear it. I know a lot of people do not recommend wearing the cloche because they said it kind of gives like a line right here. But for me, I think I like the look of it, and I don't think I'm swinging the bag that much that it's gonna cause a line. And to be honest with you, I'm not wearing this. This is not my everyday bag. So, I mean, I have young children, and sometimes the extent of my going out is to Publix, which is a supermarket. So I'm not gonna be hauling this to the supermarket unless, of course, I'm running other errands and I need something there. But this is not my everyday bag, and this is not my evening bag either. If I do wear this, it's in the daytime, it's more of a casual vibe, and that's how I'm using it. Now on the inside of the bag, it does hold quite a bit, and I wanted to show you guys what I have inside of my Birkin 25. I also want to say that this Rodeo has the softest lamb skin leather. I mean, like, I was surprised at how nice and plush and fantastic this leather felt. And I'll give you a close-up of that Togo leather so that you can see the texture of the leather. Okay. Now, I know there's like so much controversy about this handbag. I don't think that I particularly don't think, maybe in South Florida it is, or in some other states, but for me, this is a very low-key bag. I feel more like pronounced wearing the Louis Vuitton monogram print than I do wearing this bag. I mean, most people would probably think I'm crazy saying that, but to be honest with you, this bag kind of is very low-key. Like, unless you're really close, and to me, you're not gonna know what this handbag is. So this is specifically only for me. And let's go ahead and see what I have inside. Now, I did put inside my cosmetic pouch, and this is from the Louis Vuitton Game On collection. I'm gonna go ahead and put down the bag so I can show you guys how beautiful this is. It has the monogram canvas, and it has all of those, the Game On print on it. So in here, I just have some necessities: hand sanitizer, concealer. Let me tell you guys about this concealer. It is just so good. And it is from Maybelline, and I think everybody should get this concealer. It works so well, and it's just absolutely awesome. So I think the first time that I tried it, I was reading an article, and I love to read like skincare articles or makeup, and it said, like, for drugstore buys, that this was such a great concealer. And I have used many, but I love this one. It like takes some of the puffiness away from the under eye. Because of my eye infection, I'm super puffy on this side, but luckily it was only one eye this time. And I just have like my hand sanitizer, my rollerball perfume, some hand cream, lipstick, just some goodies in there that I would need just in case. So that's the first thing that I have in this bag. And this is it's pretty large. I didn't use my mini pochette. I decided to use this because I really have not used it since I got it, because I'm always in that mini pochette. Then I have my Poche Clay, the key pouch. And I've used this for so many years, still at a great price point. Can hold all your credit cards, IDs, everything. I know I said I was gonna do a review, but life caught up with me. I will do that soon. But this is a staple for me. I absolutely love it. And it holds everything I need. And if I have to add my keys, it does have that key ring on the inside. I do have my Coach Wizard of Oz Dorothy Red Ruby slippers, because everybody needs a little bit of magic in their life, and I absolutely love this. I got this a few years ago, and I am crazy for round coin purses, and I told you guys that before. When I did my Louis Vuitton SLG collection, I had quite a bit of them, but I absolutely love a round shape for some reason. It just resonates with me. And who does not need a little bit of magic in their life? So when I saw this Coach Wizard of Oz Dorothy Red Ruby slippers, I had to have it for myself. So far, I haven't had any extra magic, but you know what? I'm healthy, I have a beautiful family, and I'm happy for that. So I did change out my little wallet, so I decided to use my white Louis Vuitton multicolor, and this just makes me so happy, and I absolutely love using this. This was once upon a time my daily. I would use this day in and day out, and then I just stopped using it because I started using something else, and I put it away for a while, but I absolutely love this. I don't have it stuffed to the rim right now. I usually fold over cash right here, and I'll put like some cards and whatever else, business cards, insurance cards on the other side. But this part is where I put my cash. I don't put any change in here, only cash folded over and cards. And I have my Bastia because I am a person that does carry a lot of change and I want somewhere to put it. So that's why I usually carry a lot of change purses in my handbags. And the last thing that I do have are my raincoats, because in South Florida, we do have rain. And right now, since it's hurricane season, it could rain at any given time, and this handbag, I'm not willing to get wet, so I do bring the raincoats with me. And that is it for the inside. Now, I could hold my phone, but I'm recording on it. It does have extra room for my phone, and my car keys could easily fit in here. And that is just the inside. It's a black hole. It has the slip pocket on one side, and then it has the zippered pocket on the back. This bag is absolutely a gorgeous handbag. I do plan on doing a comparison with my birthday gift that I received this year, the Birkin 25 and the Cellier. They are completely two different feels. It does absolutely feel different than this one. So I will do a comparison video of the two of them, and that is it. And I'm so happy to be back. I hope you enjoyed this video. God bless you, and until next time, I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.